Welcome to the info with me OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's just open the unlock our device, and now just to customize the AOD feature we should launch the settings application and then tap to personalization section. Then we'll see here the always on display. Click here once. We can switch here these display options. Now we have selected all day. We can here also set the schedule, the start and the end time of the always on display feature, and also we can use it only in power saving mode. For example, here also we can change the turn on or turn off to show the date, the battery status and the notifications from different apps. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.